2008 GMC Yukon. So we did earlier on it straight pipes. It's got the stock converter here and here, but the customer loved it at first. But when he went home, his wife did not like it and said it was too loud. So he came back 6 months later, and we put a factory style resonator from GM, a Resonator, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, and it should quieten it down a lot. Give it a deep tone, but not too raspy inside and not too drony. It'll take a lot of the drone out. So I'll let you guys hear it in a second. As you can see, it took all the raspiness out. Still got a really nice sound, but no raspiness. Even at idle, it's a lot quieter. Let you guys hear on the inside. All right, inside. (2008) Yukon.